Well, these are the dinner plates from the Ridgway Saraband collection we're listing. Got 6 or 8 of these, I think, on catalogue. They're in used vintage condition. There is a little bit of wear on these, as you can see, just the occasional knife mark just across the turquoise banding, and also the gilt around the rims. A little bit of wear on that just to make you aware, and occasional knife marks. But apart from that, the glaze is in good condition. Central patterns of block design, this sort of hibiscus on white porcelain, very well conserved. Let's show you the period Saraband. China marks on the back, Ridgway, 1792 Staffordshire. These were made in 1940s and 1950s, so they're coming up sort of 70, 80 years old, and considering that, they're in pretty fine condition. The description link below will take you through to the website listing for these. I think they're 10.5-inch dinner plates. These exact measurements will all be on the website listing. We've got dessert plates, side plates, and quite a few other bits and lines in this pattern, so we could make up with some of the platters a really nice display on a dresser. They're an unusual colour combination, the turquoise, always very attractive spring-like decorative blockwork of pattern as well. Thanks for watching.